I got a brave heart. I ain't scared of you, boy, I got a brave heart. I work hard every day so I can play hard. I go hard every day into the graveyard and keep a brave heart. Boy, I got a brave heart. I ain't scared of you, no, I got a brave heart. I work hard every day so I can play hard. I go hard every day into the graveyard and keep a brave heart. We about to break off. This for my amigos. Swallow all that pride down and chase it with your ego. The war is on the inside, it's good versus evil. I speak for the people, I handcrafted each flow, made in the ether.
Hey traders, this is Rich with BrittanyWithTheMarkets.com. Today is April 20th, 2026. You're not gonna believe this shit, but evidence, right? Objective evidence. Do you trade on a hunch, intuition? I wish I shoulda, coulda, woulda, right? Objective evidence. Once again, take profit trader. What the fuck? Is fuckery going on or what? Let's get into it. I had 10 accounts Friday. I showed you guys I had 10 accounts. They were all profitable. I wake up this morning, go to populate the computer, get into Quantower, Rhythmic populates the data feed, only 2 accounts. That's right, only 2 accounts are there. I have proof, I had 10, right? Where are they at? I reached out to Take Profit Trader, requested an agent. This is what I wrote. I am only showing 2 accounts. I have 10. Basically, here's the photo. Proof, objective evidence, right? Objective evidence. It speaks for itself. Rhythmic on Quantower is not showing all of my accounts. And then I show them another photo with just 2 accounts populated. They responded, try now. Let me check, I have to close Quantower and check. I checked RTrader Pro, you erased my account. I have 10 in progress. They literally erased all 8 of my accounts that I was talking about. He responds back, yes, I removed failed accounts for you and only left the active ones. I appreciate that, but I didn't fail any accounts. Did they not read what I wrote? Did they not see and visually look at evidence? Objective evidence that I have these accounts? No. Nobody reads shit. Nobody listens to anything. Right? Just press buttons. It's a gambling community. Just press fucking buttons. Look at the photo. I responded, look at the photo, 4/17/26. I did not fail the accounts. I was profitable in all of them. Look at my photos. Then they respond, I need to escalate your case for further review. As the next step requires support from another team outside of live chat. Please know that we want to ensure your case is properly reviewed. Yes, I would like that. And addressed by the appropriate team. So essentially, I wasn't able to trade this today on 8 accounts that I was profitable in on Friday. Where are they at? Well, let's go into the system. This is what I keep telling you. Here I have a TP and it goes through 5 points and it doesn't fill. How much shit can you take as a trader? Right? Is anybody now, is everyone just ignoring all this shit? It can't just keep happening to one person, right? Yes, it can. Right? It can. Think about it. A trader, a real live person, someone who they tried to ban, right? But I'm real. I'm real as they get. And they ban you. And then all this fuckery going on. Think about it. How would you feel? Yes, I know it doesn't affect you, right? You're right, it doesn't affect you. So you can't really comment on it, right? But how would you like your 10 accounts or 8 accounts just disappearing when you have profit in them? What kind of shit is that? What system is it? Who's pushing the buttons? Is it everyone? Did it happen to everyone? I don't know. We're gonna find out, right? But how can I trade? Treated equal? Right? Treated equal? Watched? Let's watch this guy or girl. Let's just watch this guy. Oh shit. Oh shit. Let's go into Take Profit Trader website. Let's check this out. I'll show you how fucking confusing this is. Here we are. First account, 7054, right? As you can see, positive P&L, 652. Look at this. 1 day traded. It says I'm showing in the negative. Well, wait a minute. Then it says my biggest day cannot be more than 652.50, which is correct. I don't have a negative fucking account. Look what their system did here, traders. Their system, check this out. 652. This is not negative, traders. This is a positive 652.50, right? Scroll down here. This is positive, traders. 73 trades, 652.50. If you don't think you don't need a skill to trade with these guys, you're wrong, man. You're fucking wrong. If you don't think you need a fucking skill, and if you don't think you need to take photos, and if you don't think you need to take documents, don't fucking journal. Don't journal your fucking trades. What you need to do is photograph everything you fucking do on these prop firms.
Oh, shit.
Because this shit continues all the time. I told you before, believe nothing you fucking hear and half of what you see.
Oh, shit.
Right? Who's right? Who just fucking admit who's right? Who's fucking real? Right? Who's real? Just like a fucking trader last night. She does the trend lines, says she might go to the live stream again, but she's on a 1 hour time frame. They're asking her if you'll take some fucking trades on a 1 hour. She's only on there an hour and 19 minutes. How are you gonna take a trade on a 1 hour time frame, right? And you're only on there an hour. That means you don't know how to trade, right? You don't know how to fucking trade, man. You don't know how to trade. If you know how to trade, go down to the 1 minute time frame on a live stream and show what you got on a 1 minute time frame, right? Pretty simple. Let's get into another one. This shit's real, man. I am showing it to you real. I only have 290 subscribers and I am about as real as they fucking get. How can you figure this shit out? I am as real as they fucking get and I only have 290 subscribers on my channel? That's not because I don't know how to fucking trade, traders. It's because I'm not fake as shit. All of you guys like fakes. And fakes are gonna get you nowhere. I'm giving it up. I'm giving it real. Share, like, and subscribe, man. Help a brother out. Help me out. Help me get out the word. So we'll go to 6299. Same shit, same day, different time, right? Look at this. 632.50. I've only traded 1 day. All of a sudden it says do not allow your account balance to go below 23,500. Well, I only traded 1 day, and look at 1 day was the balance of 25,000 all the way down to the fuckery zone. $632.50. This is positive. I don't know if anyone flunked math or not, because all of these fake ass gurus have flunked math, right? This is positive. But when I trade, apparently it's just negative. Anything I fucking do is negative, right? Look at this. April 17th, $632.50. I can't make this shit up, traders. I cannot make this shit up. I keep telling you. I keep saying over and over and over again, and you keep following fakes. Like and subscribe and share. Get all your brothers and sisters over here. It could be very easily, it could be very, very easily done having an underground trading area and targeting some of these fuckeries, man. It could be easily done. That fucking pissed me off. Unbelievable, man. Unbelievable. See, they allow gambling communities. They wouldn't allow a community with me on board. Hell no. Hell no. They wouldn't allow that. I'm not a friend of theirs and I'm not bought and paid for. Let's check out 3905. 1 trading day. Come all the way down. This is a positive number, traders. 646. Look at this. Over down here. 646. Okay? Commissions, 16. This is positive. They blew my account up. Just the push of a button. Just blow it up. Just blow this guy's shit up. We don't want him to succeed. We don't want him to succeed with us. Just blow it up. Get those spreads out. Oh, did they forget I wasn't in the market? Think about it. Did they forget that I was already done trading? I already had photos. I was already done trading. And even after that, they blew the shit up over the weekend. Right? How do you do that? I opened my shit up this morning, and this is what it looked like. Crazy. Go to the next one. So we have it on film, right? Let's go to 8051. 8051. Here we go. 644.50. Go all the way down. Look at do not allow your account balance below 23,500. And look at this. Positive. 644.50. April 17th, 644.50. What's going on? What in the hell is going on? Go to the next one. 3918. Scroll down to 3918. Here we go. I have a positive P&L yesterday, which was Friday. Look at that. 699. Go all the way down. They blew this shit up behind the scenes. 699 is positive. You can see right there. And 699 is positive right here. The high P&L was $714, right? At one point in time. That's that trailing drawdown, right? And then we got 699. So let's go to 42.57. I can't make this shit up, man. Cannot make this up. Objective evidence. What we are seeing is evidence. It's objective. 618, an account ending in 42.57. They blew it up over the weekend. 618 was, you see what happened? You see this line? This line is going backwards, right? This line's going backwards. It's like, holy shit, this motherfucker's in the market again. Oh fuck, here we go. Here we go. 42.57, look at this. It's positive. 618 is positive. April 17th is positive. See that down there? Let's go to another one. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Multi-million-dollar companies, right? All these prop firms, multi-million-dollar companies And how do your systems screw up like this? Well, maybe they don't. They don't treat everyone the same. We know that. Prop firms do not treat everyone the same. Here we go. Positive 698.50. 698.50 down here. And then lower left, 698.50. Look at this, traders. Then I go all the way down here. Make 698.50. And they just don't like it. I just have to make more, traders. 698.50. I can't make this up. I'm telling you. How would you like to go in and have a free day, looking forward to trade, and then you go down and you sit down and you go there and all of a sudden this fuckery happens? How would you like to do that? Think about it. Is it right? I don't think it's right at all. I don't think it's right at all. I think it's pretty shitty for any trader to go through this. Here we go. 82.87. I was profitable. 641.50. April 16th. Think about all this shit. You figure it out, man. Makes my head hurt. Look at this. 641.50 was positive. Again, verified. 641.50 in this column, net P&L. Let's go to 4609. Right here. 4609. This is one of the accounts they left. Why did they just leave this one? I only made 187.50 on this account. Maybe I made too much on the other ones? Let's check it out. Oh, man. So they got their first day at least, right? Right? And then they got their second day, right? And look at here, 187.50 was the 17th. And 54.15. So let's go to 4609, right? 4609. 2 trading days, right here, April 16th, and then April 17th. April 17th was Friday, right? Positive on these. Let's go to 59.88. 108.50. 2 days traded. Here we go. 108.50 and 612 in the first day. 108.50 on the Friday. Again, go all the way up to the top. Refresh your memory. 7054. I made $652.50. That is positive P&L. First day traded. And look at this. $652.50. You think there's a little fuckery going on behind the scenes? You see that? This balance, $62.50. I actually made that. I made money. I showed you. Look at this from Friday. This is April 17th, 2026. At 9 o'clock, at 9:19 a.m. in 45 seconds. Look at this. This is a screenshot of all of those accounts. Look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All of them in profit. Hit rate 83.17. I even did a video on this. I actually didn't do a video on this. I believe I stuck it in the video though, in another video. Look at the date, April 17, 2026, traders. This is profit for the day. Now, 8 of these accounts in here out of the 10 are missing. They're gone. What the hell's going on? You tell me, traders. What's going on, traders? Are your fake gurus reporting this? Are your affiliates reporting any of this? You mean to tell me they don't have any problems? Probably not, right? Because they're an affiliate, right? Or friends and families probably don't have problems either, right? Think about it. So I am not able to trade 8 of my accounts that are missing. And then I reach out to Take Profit Trader and tell them, give them a photograph. Hey, 8 of my accounts are missing. They were in profit. And what's this person do? Wipes them out of Rhythmic. And I said, what do you do? Well, I cleared out the non-working accounts. Wait, that's not what I asked. What the fuck? Real people, real traders. What do you think your mindset? How would you like this? Where you had 8 accounts in profit, abiding by the rules, you wake up and they're gone. Just no big deal, just gone. How would you like to have 8 or 10 or 20 accounts reaching $1 million and you wake up, oh, I'm sorry, oh, they're gone. You see, you don't believe me. right? You don't believe me because you keep following fakes. Fakes. All-time record holders. What do you mean all-time? There's no such thing as an all-time record holder unless everyone can participate. Right? Did they have thick knee pads? Think about it. Did they have thick knee pads? Right? Friends of friends? Right? Friends with benefits. Right? Think about this shit. It's real. It's live. It's Rich from Breathing with the Markets. If you want to learn how to trade, come on over. I'll teach you how to trade. I'll teach you how to actually trade. 99% of all these fakes trying to show you strategies are all fake. They're all fake. They get out here and tell you, well, I'm gonna do a live stream. I might go back to trading, but you know, I'm on an hour chart now. What does that tell you? They're on an hour chart. That means they're not going to trade. They're scared. They're scared to trade. Yes, scared to trade. They can't trade. They just want money. They want money. Dress half nude. Show you things you want to see. Lure you in. It's a business plan, right? I didn't show you a business plan here. I showed you fuckery, right? I showed you what happens to real traders, right? If this happens to real traders, that doesn't mean you don't want to become a real trader, right? Because when this happens to you, you're doing something right. Think about it, right? When you have it coming from all different directions, you are doing something right. We know that, right? We know that. We know what's up. When you do something right, this is what you get. When you do things right and you trade right and you stand firm and you actually have a strategy, you understand the market, this is what happens to you. And if you don't want to get there, then trading's not for you. Because why do less than what you're capable of doing? I'm not here for myself. I'm here for all of you. And look what they've done. Banned me. Limited me. Well, can't buy evals. All of a sudden, let me buy evals again. And then tell me it's humanly impossible to trade this way. I have 10 accounts. I wake up, there's only 2 of them. And I traded today. Check it out. Can't make this shit up. Cannot make this up, man. Here's the Quantower results from today on these 2 accounts, right here. 770 and 738. Right? Is that going to be fucking gone tomorrow? Possibly, right? You don't know if it's going to be there or not. But all of you want to talk about these big payouts. I've told you hundreds and hundreds of times, why would I put myself in that situation where I'm going to get 5, 6 of these accounts in the $200,000 and $300,000 range, wake up, and my shit's gone? How would you feel? I'm pissed off just because of these 8 accounts. It's not okay. And it's not okay for Take Profit Trader to have their glitch in the system. It's not okay. They need to make it right. I am sure they're probably going to make it right. They have to make it right. But I shouldn't have to jump through hoops for them to make it right. Think about it. Why would you run up accounts assuming that this can't happen to you? Why? Because you're not a real trader. That's why. You're not a real trader. Real traders understand what's going on. That's a fact. You can follow all the gurus you want. You can follow all the Rolls Royce, Lamborghinis, all you want. The most popular live stream, all you want. But real traders know the facts. And I'm as real as they fucking get. I don't challenge anybody. I stay in my fucking lane and I trade. And I teach people how to trade each and every day. That's a real trader. I'm not selling you a book. I'm not selling you a course. I'm teaching you how to trade the market objectively. If you want to learn how to trade objectively in the market, and you know I've been vetted, I've been confirmed, shit on, continue to be shit on, and I never fucking give up. Wish you well. Peace, traders.